It's too troublesome to change.
Why? But you save money if you change.
I don't know what is happening. I just can't be bothered.
I don't care!
Hey everyone, welcome back to Insights Outside. I'm Eliza from Home and Decor, and today we're finding out what people think about the open electricity market. So, it has been half a year since the government rolled out the open electricity market. Essentially, homeowners can choose between SP, the company we've all relied on for our electricity, and other electricity retailers. Let's see if Singaporeans have made the switch. Have you switched retailers yet?
Yes, already switched.
To which one?
Sinoco. Well, Sinoco considered quite a big company, so I switched.
No, I haven't.
Why not?
I think firstly is I'm just being lazy, not checking out which is a better choice for me. And the other thing is I don't think there is going to be a very great difference.
Yes, I did. I find that I have saved $50.
$50 every month. Wow,
Yes.
that's a lot.
Already
Which one?
to iSwitch actually.
Before you decided on iSwitch, did you compare with other companies?
I did, but they're more or less the same. But I just thought the guy who was selling me was a great guy, and
Right.
he gave me a good deal, so I just signed it off for 3 years, and that's it.
Yes, I have.
No, I haven't.
Why not?
yet. I've just been lazy about it. So we did have a conversation with SP Group. I think I want to change to the wholesaler, but I haven't done it as yet.
No, I'm still
With SP?
PUB.
Okay. Wait,
Government.
PUB is water. SP.
SP, correct.
Can you tell me a little bit more about your contract?
My plan is choke 24 months. That means it's a fixed rate. Then it's fixed for 24 months. Then it's cheaper than the current SP rate.
Why did you choose Keppel?
I choose Keppel because after comparing all the rates, I think the Keppel for the 12 months period fit the best.
Based on my usage, I'm a heavy user. I live in a jumbo flat, so it makes a lot of sense for me to actually have the price fixed, and then it will be lower cost rather than the flexible package.
I'm only considering about the price only. Nothing else.
That's the most important.
I think going with the wholesaler possibly makes more sense. I think people still don't understand how this market works. There are a lot of promotions being pushed around, but I believe the retailers still don't have the numbers to kind of make profits on that.
So the most stable and safe option would be to go with the wholesaler
for
which is
me, yeah.
SP right now.
Correct.
You've got to look at the full contract periods, what are giving you the best. They give you a freebies of low value, but the contract period is longer, so you got to weigh that yourself.
I think convenience. To be honest, if I want to switch now, what are the steps involved? Who will come to me? And then what are the adjustments to be made? I think all this has been made clear before I make a switch. I think the price does make a difference because it's not too much of a difference. Why would I want to inconvenience myself by switching? I'm very comfortable right now.
When I look at the total bill and I saw it made sense to change it,
Okay.
And I've just got my first billing, and I think it looks great. Yes.
Okay, so
Right.
even if the tariff goes above, you don't mind?
What you do, that's a little risk you got to take, right?
Yeah.
I think initially I don't see that happen. At least for this next 1 or 2 years. It's a matter of time that because of competitiveness, so they will definitely down their fees.
So, will you be making the switch? Here are some tips to help you decide. Thanks for watching this episode of Insights Outside. Don't forget to like and share this video and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time!